In this question, a lead storage battery has initially 200 gram of lead and 200 gram of PbO2, excess of H2SO4. We have to find out time. How long could this cell deliver a current of 10 ampere without recharging? So, first of all, we can calculate the number of mole. Number of mole of Pb is equal to mass by its atomic weight. So, 200 by 207, and number of mole of PbO2 is given, that is 200 by 239. 239 is the molecular weight of PbO2. Next, we can understand which one is limiting reagent here. So Lr, limiting reagent here is PbO2, because number of mole of PbO2 are less. Now we can calculate the number of equivalent of PbO2. So number of equivalent of PbO2, number of equivalent of PbO2, that will be equal to number of Faradays, number of Faraday charge, number of Faraday charge passed through the cell. So we can calculate the number of equivalent of PbO2. So number of equivalent of PbO2 will be equal to number of equivalent of PbO2 will be equal to its mole, means number of mole, 200 by 239 into the n factor of PbO2. Here n factor of PbO2 is 2. So these are the number of equivalent of PbO2. So the number of equivalent of PbO2 will be 400 upon 239. Now we can understand the number of equivalent will be equal to the charge in Faraday. So that is the value of charge. So charge is equal to 400 upon 239 Faraday. 400 upon 239 Faraday charge. So that will be equal to 400 upon 239 into 96500 coulomb. 96500 coulomb. So now we get the charge in coulomb. So we can use the formula like Q is equal to I into T, and we have to find out the time. Now we can calculate the time like that. Time means T is equal to Q by I. Q means charge, that is 400 into 96500 upon 239, that is the value of charge. And time, what is the time? Time that is given in question, that is in second, that is equal to time we have to calculate, and I is given. So the I means current value is 10 ampere. So divided by 10, we can calculate the time by calculate this. If we are calculating this, we will get the time in second, that is equal to 4.486 hour. In hour it will be 4.486, that is in second.